ready, dear one, to be accountable, to be wholly responsible for your life.
That's just a little clip from Eyes Wide Open from Sarah Blondin. And I listened to that full episode today, the full meditation, as part of the 30-day challenge of meditating twice a day. And I'm remarking on how making changes in your life that are new for you is really hard. And but these small changes I'm making are opening me up to see what's going on with me, what I really need to feel good and feel alive and feel more fully me than the me I want to be. So for instance, I've been changing the way I eat over 6 months. I started Bright Line eating 6 months ago, and it's a radical shift in the way I eat. And as I have gotten into this change of lifestyle, I've been able to open myself up and notice different things. And I also credit this meditation challenge helping me, even though I haven't been perfectly doing 2 times a day or the time I set out to do it. I've been doing it most days. And what I'm noticing is more about what's going on with me. Like, I finally realized that because I've been struggling with sleep over the past few weeks, actually it's probably been more than a few weeks, maybe months, I've been struggling. I've been struggling with everything. And I've been struggling with my memory. I've been struggling with my attention and focus at work. I've been struggling with my anxiety. I've gotten a few more migraines this month than I've had in a while. And so last week I reduced my caffeine intake in half. Yesterday, I only had 1 tea with caffeine in, and today I didn't have any. And today I am really struggling. But I think it's going to be really good for me tonight to be really fully tired for the first time in a long time. And I think that's the beauty in doing challenges like this, because unless you give yourself a challenge to do something that's for a significant period of time, like 30 days, you might try something and be like, nah, I don't really want to do that after a couple days. And when you have the 30-day challenge, you can say, I really don't want to do it today. But then you do it the next day. And, that's the idea that, like, okay, fine, I missed a day, but I've got 30 more days. I got to do it, And I think it takes that long. I think I read somewhere that it takes us like 40-something days to change a habit. Well, I think 30 days is significant enough to sort of see the benefits of something. And I've done 30-day challenges before. I did a self-care kindness challenge for 30 days. In grad school, I was looking at the self and identity, and I did a challenge with my wife at the time. We did a good food from the farm challenge. It was basically how to look at, creating healthy meals with each other and for each other could help our marriage. And so I blogged about that. I'll try to see if I can find the blog post about that and put it in the description below. But these challenges I've done before I've gotten a lot out of all of them. And some things I've been able to carry with me. And my hope and my idea for this meditation challenge is that I will have deeper layers revealed to me of myself and what I really need, what my body needs, what my mind needs, and what my soul, my spirit needs. And try to meet those needs as they come up, or at least observe them to start. So I'm grateful to be doing it imperfectly, but doing it alongside others who are joining me. So would love to hear about your journeys with meditation, or with 30-day challenges, or with this 30-day meditation challenge. And together we thrive. I'm lovely, and so are all of you.